Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take your cloud code to the next level. Today's tip is avoid mixing with other technologies. Cloud code must be concise and return the objects the way you expected. So when you try, for instance, to return a complex object, try not to add extra complexity to it. So for instance, if you're returning a HTML control, do not return the CSS code embedded. You can add this code later within the front end. So try to retrieve as much information as needed, but not else, and try not to add extra functionalities or extra technologies to it, because it will just raise the size of your payload and make everything slower and harder to keep up over time. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or an implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.